It's National Apprenticeship Week. I'm seeing social media covered with new announcements and new programs and new deliverables. Talk to me, man. What are we doing within BIT training?
I'm really excited. If you look online today, the press releases have just come out from, and I'm really pleased to announce, you've heard it here first, we are the first global corporate academic partner for EC Council. I approached EC Council last year to discuss how we could bring their apprenticeship programs into their training programs into the apprenticeship space. And this has led to a fantastic conversation that's triangulated from my contact Mel over at EC Council through what we're doing here, and it's allowed us the opportunity to build something groundbreaking. We are now using the academic curricula that EC Council have used across universities and college here in the United States and beyond, and they are now being embedded into the heart of that embed space where we embed knowledge. What does that mean? We are proud today to announce the relaunch, first of all, of our cybersecurity technician level 3 apprenticeship. In my opinion, this is the most undervalued apprenticeship in the IT and digital space. It is designed for an entry-level person coming into a particularly blue team side of things cybersecurity role. It embeds the basic skills to be able to work in a SOC, to be able to work in incident response, and particularly those people that are monitoring on a day-to-day SOC and SIEM, looking for those indicators of compromise and telling someone about it. Okay, it is ideal for those people that are doing those kind of roles and beyond. We can apply it wider in the cyberspace. It's quite a broad standard, and embeds into that space there. An apprentice coming on that program with us as part of that embed piece that I talked about earlier, as well as following the apprenticeship standard, developing skills and demonstrating their capability, they will study. They will go through an internally based introduction to cybersecurity program that we will badge and we will digitally accredit. They will then study the BCS Foundation Certificate in Information Security Management, CISMB. That gives them a great understanding of information security. It embeds particularly more towards that GRC piece actually, but understanding the background of why and what regulation and why we do what we do in a cybersecurity space. We will then take them on a journey through, and the EC Council have produced a number of entry-level certifications. We will take them through the Network Defender Essentials. We will take them through the Ethical Hacking Essentials. So they understand both sides of the fence. They understand the essentials of network defense. They will understand the essentials of what an attacker, what somebody who's attacking them might do. And then the crowning piece of that embed piece will then be the EC Council Certified Cybersecurity Technician. And they will achieve that certification and have developed all that knowledge whilst in the workplace, whilst developing their skills. We will then develop their skills through and accredit them as a certified cybersecurity technician at level 3 as an apprentice. We jump up to level 4. I'm also pleased to announce today that we have launched, in partnership with EC Council, our cybersecurity technologist new programs, and there are two streams here. One is based around the defense response piece, and one is based around the security engineer. Again, we have core EC Council certifications threaded through that, as well as the Security Plus. Apprentices on these standards, they will do the Security Plus. We will make sure they're ready and they can pass that exam, because if you work in the cybersecurity space, you need it. But we will then take them through Certified Ethical Hacker, so they really understand what the red team people they're defending against and protecting against are doing. If they are on the defense response piece, we will put them through the Certified Security Operations Center Analyst, SOC Analyst program, and they will be able to give the opportunity to achieve that certification. If they're working as a cloud engineer, we will put them through the EC Council Cloud Certified Security Engineer program. These are powerful certifications that the industry know and understand, that embed the skills they need to do the jobs. And then we will develop them further to develop those skills and be able to showcase it for their assessment. The other program I want to announce today, we are about to launch, and we're still working on the final details of it, but we're about to bring to market, and I could talk about our digital forensics technician program. Okay, this is a new place for us. Digital forensics is such an important part of the wider cybersecurity landscape, and there is a massive skills gap. I'm working with a police force at the moment while I'm working this program to make sure we really meet their needs. And one of the things that I've discovered as I've spoken to them is in digital forensics, there's a massive skills gap. They really struggle to recruit digital forensic technicians working within the police force. Their unit is part of a larger forensic unit. The CSI guys get all the glory, but they struggle to bring the recruits in on board. So we are working with a police force at the moment, and more widely, to really customize and develop a program that is going to help them hopefully leverage digital forensics and learning in that space. The learning program there will top out looking at the EC Council's Certified Digital Forensic Investigator certification. More to follow on that program. I don't want to say too much more about it today.